Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Happy Blushes. If you are new to this channel, I am Madhurima. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create my favorite makeup look, the smoky eyes. I really hope you guys will like this tutorial. So let's dive into the video without any further delay. Today I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Pro HD Palette Amplified Innovation. I'm using all powder based eyeshadows for summer. I'm using this light shade as my transition shade. Next, I'm taking this orange color and applying this all over my crease. I'll blend this really well using a Makeup Revolution blending brush. Now I'll apply the black eyeshadow on the crease with the brush. I'm just trying to deposit all the colors on my lid first with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'll take the same black eyeshadow on my ring finger and apply it over the black eyeshadow. Using colors with fingers helps to place the pigments well. I'll again take the same orange color on blending brush and blend both the colors until there are any crease lines visible. Now this is the most important step to follow while doing smoky eyes. Next, I'm applying Maybelline Colossal Kajal on both upper and lower waterlines. Then I'm taking the same black and orange eyeshadows and applying it on lower lashes to smoke out the kajal well. I've already applied false eyelashes off the camera and now I'm applying the same kajal over the fake lashes again just to cover up the extra glue that is visible. Next, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes so that my eyes pops out and looks more brighter. I'll touch up my brows a little. I'm applying this pinkish nude Smashbox liquid lipstick on my lips. So here is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I love the way it came out. So do comment below and let me know your thoughts on this. Also, you guys can suggest me some topics for my next tutorial. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, stay hydrated and don't forget to love yourself.